BJ Hentrup here at PHCC in Grand Rapids. One of the products we're showcasing here is our 24x24 prepackaged sewage system. This is good for sewage ejectors, and it's good with our grinder pumps. What's good about this is that it comes prepackaged, like we call it, and it's easy to install. You don't have to worry about the parts and pieces, putting them together. What's great about this is it comes with a construction cover, a clear construction cover, so in a new install, when they put it in the ground and then in the basement or wherever this is going to be going, you got everything going on in the basement, people sweeping and putting all kinds of dirt and dust and all that stuff. Sometimes that ends up in the basin. That clear construction cover that we ship on it prevents that from happening. So when it comes time for the plumbing contractor to come in and do the install, they can take that cover off and then plumb everything in here. What's also great about our system is with our logo here, what we call our meatball, it twists, pops off, and it will give you access into the removable or into the basin, and it'll have a removable float tree, so you can pop out those floats, spray them off, clean them off if you ever have any issues with buildup from those flushable wipes or grease buildup, anything like that. So this is our 24x24, but also keep in mind we do bigger engineered systems as well. So this is a smaller one, but we can go up to bigger packages like 10-foot diameter, 15, 20 foot deep. And what's great about that is it comes all packaged, so you don't have to worry about piecing this together, piecing that together. Everything will come as it's supposed to and have an easy install.